Welcome to Painted Kids Studio, where we make amazing art videos. Hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified every time we post a new art video.
Welcome back to Painted Kids. This is Miss Jessica, and today we're going to be learning to draw Patrick from SpongeBob SquarePants. He's not only SpongeBob's best friend, but he is our favorite starfish under the sea. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do on our Patrick is his eyes. So we're going to do two ovals. So one oval, and then the second oval is going to be picking out from the other side. And then his pupils are just two ovals just filled in, just like this. Now, just like with our SpongeBob character, we're going to go to Patrick's smile, because he doesn't have a nose. So we're just going to go right underneath his eyes, and we're going to give him a nice happy smile with a little curve on the end. And then we're going to go right into another curve to do the bottom part of his mouth, and then just curve right up. And you'll see that that line there kind of goes over the edge. And we're going to put the tongue right on in there. Perfect. Now we get to do his head. So we're going to bring it up, over, in a little bit. See that? Looks like a candy cane. And then we're going to scoop and bring out. So it has that little bump right there at the top. And the line stops about halfway to his mouth. Then we're going to do his first arm. That's just a big half oval. So bring it out and around. And then we're going to bring down just a little curved line here, and that's going to be his back. But we're going to stop there. We're going to go to the other side of his face. So we're just going to do a nice slanted line and then a little curve for where his tummy is. And then we're going to make his other arm. So up, around, and down, just like that. Now we're just going to do his eyebrows, and they're just kind of like a zigzagginess. They're not really perfect. They're just kind of zigzaggy. There we go. Now we're going to do his shorts. So we're just going to do a nice curved line that attaches to the front and the back, just like this. Then we're going to stop and we're going to do his belly button. So we just do a little curve and then a longer curve right on the outside, and there's his belly button. Now we're going to do the back side of his pants. So we're going to start where that line is and we're going to curve it in. And now we're going to do his waistband. So we're just going to follow that curved line that we made earlier. Then we're going to bring a straight line down, and that's where his shorts are. And then we're going to curve it and bring it up. Now we're going to do his foot. So it's just going to be a nice U shape. Alright. And then we're going to do his little star pattern on his pants. So you go up, over, then up and over. So nothing perfect, just kind of like a side of a flower. And then we're going to do the halfway up that line. We're just going to curve up and attach it to his waistband. And then we're going to do a line on either side, and it's going to just be a little curved. One's shorter than the other, and then we're going to curve it, and that's his other short. And then we just add his other leg. Now on this flower, it's a little bit more of a full flower than our other ones. So bring it up and in, down, up, down, and then up again. And then he kind of has like these weird little marks on his skin, I think to kind of show his like fleshy quality of his starfishness, I guess. So we're just gonna do little marks here. I'm just putting a couple. There isn't a ton because we don't want to make him look like he's fuzzy, but we just want to give him that funny texture that he has. Yeah, I think that's good. And there is our Patrick. Now we're going to paint him pink. We're going to do the inside of his mouth kind of like this dark magenta color. His tongue is a light pink. And then his shorts are, of course, a lime green and a purple. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. The more video gets thumbs up, the more we know to add to that playlist. And if you want to see more videos just like this one, head on over to our channel and subscribe, and you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and we'll see you next time.